Hi guys, we're Dan and Michelle with Honeymoon Always, and today we are at beautiful Sandals Montego Bay in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Today we want to talk about the top secrets of Sandals Montego Bay. These are the things that we think you need to know before you book here or stay here. We hope this video is super helpful, and if it is, we hope you will book using the link in our description below. That lets Sandals know that we helped you, and we appreciate that so much. But also, if you do want more customized help, we are travel agents and we'd love to help you. You can tell us your budget, what you're looking for. We'll help you pick the right resort, the right room for you. We can even help you with flights, so please use that link to contact us as well. Now, we've done a full video on this resort before, but for a quick refresher, Sandals Montego Bay is an adult-only all-inclusive resort with 12 restaurants, 6 bars, 7 pools, 3 whirlpools, and unlimited land and water sports. So the first thing we think you need to know before booking at Sandals Montego Bay is that this is the very first Sandals resort ever. And it was not one giant resort that came to be at once. They kind of bought it piece by piece and continue to renovate as time goes on. So what that means is there are 25 different room categories, and they're all kind of at different levels of having been renovated. Depending on what you're looking for, this can make finding the right room a little bit difficult. Of course, that's where we can help, but also we're going to show you a few different room types now so you can get a view for what's going on. Here you could see a room on the website that you can tell probably hasn't been touched in 20 years. Some guests love this vintage style, so we don't know if it will be updated. But here's the room we stayed in that was probably renovated about 5 or 6 years ago. We also have a few other more recently renovated suites to show you.
Another thing to know about this resort is they have the tried and true restaurants like Butcher's Steakhouse, but they're elevating the experience over time to become more Sandals 2.0, which is the new dining concept. So while we were here, we tried Oleander's, which is an existing restaurant, but they changed the menu. Now it is family style with shareable plates, and the food is excellent. It's all Caribbean themed. We had lobster, chicken skewers. It was just really good food. Our favorite restaurant now here on resort. Another thing that is happening while we're on resort is they are redoing the interior of Tokyo Joe's. That is the Asian concept. We were able to still order off the menu at one of the other restaurants, and the food is excellent, but they're redoing the interior, so it'll be a brand new experience for people that come in about a month from now.
Next, we want to talk about the beach here. The beach is so important for any Sandals vacation, and this is a beautiful one. A few things that you might want to know is that this is a very long beach, so you can have as many moments of privacy or partying as you want, because you can find both here. We find that a lot of people will be just spending their afternoons with a drink in hand, hanging out in the water because it's pretty calm right where the resort is, and all of the rooms tend to be lined up really closely to the beach. So even if you're on the far back end of the resort, you're not that far from the beach at all, which makes this a really convenient resort. This brings me to my next point, which is how close this resort is to the airport. Obviously, a pro of this is that you can get from the airport to the resort really quickly. It takes about 5 minutes, but a possible downside is that you can definitely hear and see airplanes really close to the resort all day long. During the busy times, they come around every 15 minutes. But sometimes they come about once an hour. We've heard them fly out as late as 10:30 at night, but last night the last flight went out around 6:30, so hopefully it's not too disruptive to your stay. Again, this is a very popular resort and people come back over and over again, so obviously the airplanes are not bothersome to most people.
One thing you definitely want to do early in your stay is to stop by the Island Routes desk, because they can tell you all about the latest excursions. They recently added powerboat excursions, so you can get on here quick, go all the way to the other side of the island to check out what's going on in the grill. Or you can go on one of the most popular excursions, which is going to Dunn's River. And for a unique experience, go to the Luminous Bay, which is only about a 30-minute drive. We also noticed since the last time we were here that they refinished the tennis courts and added 4 pickleball courts. So now it's perfect to come and even do like a pickleball tournament. We're actually thinking about putting together a group to do that. So if that'd be interesting to you, then just let us know.
So those are our top secrets to Sandals Montego Bay. We do hope that if you plan to book here, you will use our link in the description below to do so. That tells Sandals that we helped you and we appreciate that so much, so thank you. We also would love to help customize your trip for you if that's what you're looking for. You can contact us using the other link in our description. We'd love to help. Now we're off to even more Sandals resorts, so we hope you come along with us. See you at the next stop.